10th standard result is declared and you may observe some responsible and mature life. If so many thoughts started to come in your mind, what to do, where to go, which side make my career brighter? Yes, it's quite obvious as so many options are in front of you. My dear student, all sides are having some plus and minus point. I advise you to select proper side by considering your personality and IQ. Students, if you are selecting the science side, and again in that, instead of medical, if you want to do your career in technical side, then I advise you to go for bifocal subjects. Now, why bifocal? Bifocal subjects are introduced in your co-curriculum by considering two objectives. One, after completion of 10th and 12th standard, you can do jobs in different industrial areas, as well as if you want to go for higher education, then with bifocal subject, your higher education may be easier. Now, as I told you, the main objective of bifocal subject that some students can do jobs after 12th standard. That's why the weightage of bifocal subject is 200 marks and the emphasis is given on practical. That's why the weightage of practical is 100 marks and 100 marks theory. Okay. So as the weightage of bifocal subject is 200 marks, the remaining subjects, or we can say the compulsory subjects for bifocal students, are English, Physics, Chemistry, Maths. And the students can easily concentrate on PCM group, which helps you to score or study for their competitive examinations like CET and JEE. The subjects available under bifocal concept helps the student to clear the base of graduation studies like engineering, BCS, BCA, BSc, etc. We will summarize some of the advantages of bifocal. The student gets good practical knowledge. 100 marks practical helps student to score in aggregate percentage. It indirectly helps to score more than 75% easily and fulfill the criteria of competitive examination like JEE. Can concentrate on PCM group subjects and this helps to score more in their JEE and CET. Due to limited seats, personal attention is given on each and every student. If student is unable to score 50% in PCM, then the student can add bifocal subject instead of chemistry and can easily apply for engineering. Now, what about the admissions? The bifocal admission is according to technical office directives based on merit and reservation as per norms. The students who had technical subjects in their school have 25% quota in bifocal. Which are different subjects involved in bifocal? Electronics, computer science, civil, mechanical maintenance, electrical maintenance, scooter motorcycle servicing, crop science, animal husbandry, banking, marketing and sales. Banking, marketing and sales, these subjects are from commerce stream. Now, my dear students, my job is over. In short, I introduce you about the bifocal. Now, decision is yours. Bifocal selected.